Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many lash lovers are calling the best Ardell 251 lashes. And after what I've seen, that title is well deserved. This is your 5-minute breakdown of the Ardell Mega Volume 251 False Eyelashes, and why they deserve a place in your beauty routine. Let's kick things off with what sets these lashes apart. The Ardell Mega Volume 251 isn't your average drugstore falsie. These are designed for maximum drama and dimension. With a lush, multi-layered construction and double-stacked design, they create a thick, voluminous look that instantly opens up your eyes. They're bold, fluffy, and the kind of glam that makes people do a double take. But here's the best part. They still manage to look soft and natural enough to blend seamlessly with your real lashes. One pack comes with 4 pairs, and they're all reusable. So you're not just getting a night or two of wear. With proper care and gentle removal, these can last you for multiple applications. That makes this pack an incredible value for anyone who wears lashes regularly. Whether you're a makeup artist, a content creator, or just someone who loves adding a little drama to their eyes, these are going to deliver time and again. Now, let's talk wear and comfort. The band is flexible and lightweight, making it easy to apply even if you're not a lash pro. Once on, they sit comfortably and stay put throughout the day or night. There's no poking or irritating the lash line, just secure, confident wear. Even removal is simple. Just peel them off gently, clean them with a soft cloth and lukewarm water, and store them properly. Another major plus. These lashes are made from 100% human hair and are cruelty-free. That means they're soft to the touch, more realistic than synthetic options, and free from animal testing. They've been handcrafted to meet high-quality standards, and you can absolutely tell from the way they wear and how they photograph. Visually, the style of the 251 lashes is ideal for enhancing almost any eye shape. They provide a noticeable lift and length, especially toward the outer edges, creating that flattering cat eye effect without needing winged liner. As for versatility, while they're clearly designed with glam looks in mind, they're also wearable enough for less dramatic occasions if you trim them down. Whether you're prepping for a wedding, a girl's night out, or a photo shoot, these lashes elevate your look instantly. So, if you've been on the hunt for lashes that deliver on volume, comfort, reusability, and style, without compromising on ethical standards, the Ardell Mega Volume 251 pack is a standout option. At just under $15 for 4 pairs, you're getting salon-style lashes for a fraction of the price. Add an easy application and a cruelty-free label, and it's easy to see why this pack is a fan favorite and Amazon's choice. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Ardell 251s or have a favorite lash brand we should cover next. See you in the next one.